Merry Christmas! Happy Advent Day! Another day marked off the calendar, getting closer to Christmas. Today we're gonna make these really cute birds. Look how pretty they are. You could add them to so many different things. Let's get started. So to make this cute little bird ornament, you're gonna have this template that you can download. I cut them out of some chipboard. Now you will need to score a little line or just on the ends of the wings. And one is going to go this way, then this one will be facing this way, and this one will go down. And it's so small that you almost don't even have to score it. You could just fold it in. So we have that done. Now we are going to paint these. So I'm going to use my DIY paint, and I am using crinoline, and I'm going to use some white swan. And you could use any colors you would like. If you'd like a blue bird, you could do it in blues. So I'm just going to paint all of these pieces. You're going to paint both sides, but you need to let one side dry first. Then you can paint the other side. This goes pretty quick. I'm just brushing a little of the white over this crinoline. I'm going to let these dry, then we're going to paint the other side. So we want to make sure these are completely dry, and then we're going to stamp them. Okay, so when these are dry, I'm just going to do a light crackle with some gray ink. You can skip this step. You could add any type of texture you would like to the outside. And I'm going to do both sides. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to age it with my vintage photo distressing ink. And I'm going to go a little darker over the beak and a little bit over the tail feathers. Now I'm going to seal this with a polyacrylic. I'm using a gloss polyacrylic finish, and it's just a clear finish, and it also reactivates my antiquing. So I'm going to just do one side at a time, let it dry, and do the other side. I'll let this dry real quick. Then I'm going to do the other side. You could do this after you have the bird put together, but I found it was still easier to do this when it was apart. So when your pieces are dry, we're going to attach them. Decide which way you want him facing. Then I'm putting the folded parts of the wings down. And all I did is use my mini stapler, but you could hot glue it. You could do it any way you would like. I found 2 staples with this, worked really well through the chipboard, and it held it nice and tight, and you're not going to see it anyway. Now to put my glitter on, you could either use a spray adhesive, you could use a gloss finish. I am going to use my gloss finish and just do a quick spray on it, and then put some glitter on. And I'm just going to use my mica glitter and sprinkle it on him. And then I am just going to stand him to dry. And we're done. Okay guys, wasn't that easy? At the bottom of the video, you can get to this template. You can just print this off and make as many fun birds as you would like. One year we had made probably 50 or 60 of these out of just paper. And I had used fishing line that I had put through, and with a little dot of hot glue on the ceiling, we had done snowflakes and birds. And when the wind would blow it all in there, or air would move, it would look like they were flying across the ceiling, and it was really fun. Well, I hope you guys give this a try, but whatever you do, have fun. Happy Advent, Merry Christmas.